wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 8 best cooking stone sets. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 8, sleek and minimalist. The Good Cooking Hibachi boasts a 12¼ by 7½ inch grilling surface, which is larger than most competitors. When used cold, it can also double as a serving tray for cheeses, crudités, and charcuterie boards. It's made from 100% food-grade basalt and is easy to clean and maintain. However, it's not as durable as other options. At number 7, made from white porcelain with a stainless steel tray, the Lavarock grill steak plate has a simple and sophisticated look that's sure to impress. It can be heated in the oven, on the stovetop, or even on the grill, and it stays at searing temperatures for 20 to 30 minutes. It's good for individual servings and can also be chilled for desserts, but it is rather pricey for its size. Coming in at number 6 on our list. Flavor and presentation are key parts in making a meal special, and the Lavarock Cooking Company Professional provides both. From watching meats and vegetables sizzling away on the stone to eating them off the glossy ceramic plate, you'll enjoy every step of the process. It's made in the USA with an 8 by 5 inch cooking surface and handles on the board for easy carrying. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking stone sets, or simply click beneath this video. At number 5, designed to enjoy with good company, the Lavarock grill sharing platter can hold enough food for 2 to 3 people at once. This way, whether your guests are partial to rare or well done, each person can cook their own steak any way they'd like. It's stovetop and broiler safe, and includes a handsome bamboo presentation board. It doesn't require oil or butter. Halfway up our list at number 4, the fecihor tabletop boasts a handsome natural bamboo serving tray that has grooves for the Lavarock ceramic plate and condiment cups to keep them from sliding around. It's designed to prevent food from sticking, making both cooking and cleanup a breeze. It sports an elegant, modern look and comes with 2 stones and a refund or replacement guarantee. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you want to add some fun to your dinner without spending an arm and a leg, check out the nutrichef grill slab, which is affordably priced at less than $30. The acacia wood platter gives it a rustic vibe and is conditioned with oil to keep it from drying out. It features a stain-resistant surface, an eco-friendly construction, and 2 stainless steel knives. At number 2, the Zelancio Premium features a nearly indestructible lavarock from Mount Etna in Sicily, Italy, along with a stainless steel liner to protect the wood from burning, a ceramic plate, and 3 matching ramekins for dipping sauces and other condiments. It offers excellent heat retention and comes packed in a gift box. Other accessories are sold separately. And taking the top spot on our list, the Artestia Deluxe comes with 2 food-grade grilling stones, so you can heat them both and switch when one starts to cool down. The sleek ceramic platter has 4 built-in compartments that are perfect for holding sauces and sides. The high-density granite holds heat well, and grooves help to drain off excess liquid. It's available in black or white. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for cooking stone sets, or simply click beneath this video.